Imagine a super sports car in which the most advanced technological solutions and incomparable Aventador design merge together with the thrill of open-air driving, a pure adrenaline-filled experience. With a production of only 250 units, the Aventador 780-4 Ultimae Roadster is the newest and final open-top version of a legendary family. Its 780cv V12, the latest and most powerful standard production, naturally aspirated engine in Lamborghini history, makes the model the most iconic in the Aventador range.
Hi, what's up? Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our another brand new video. So, what we got here today, this one right here, is the brand new 2022 Lamborghini Aventador Ultimae. We did the full paint protection on this car, so every single piece of every single small detail, they're all protected in paint protection film. So as you can see right here, well, I'll show you the most interesting part. You see these lines right here, this one, these gold lines right here, this was drawn by hand of an artist. Like, it's a by hand. This every single gold lines in here. Pretty crazy, isn't it, right? So that is protected as well. So we protected all the way to the inside. Everything was wrapped. Every single small detail of this is fully protected. So after protecting this, we will be applying ceramic on top of it, so to add it more layer of protection. So the headlight, I did a light smoke on the headlight, and then the tail light was medium smoke. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. So carbon fiber lip, inside the carbon fiber. So right now I'm gonna show you a close-up video of what I did to the car. Alright, here it is. So this headlight right here, this is light smoke expo film. This light, they normally comes in factory clear, but we just put smoke light on the headlight to add more aggressive look to it. So look at this corner right here. Look at that. You can't really see the edge of the film. It's all the way there, including here. See? So even I scratch the car, you can't really scratch the car because this is protected, really protected. Look at that. Awesome. See how awesome that is. See all this? They're all protected. This. All that is protected. All the way down to the middle, to the bottom. Even the sensor as well, that is protected. So I'll show you there. Okay, this is the interesting part, the mirror. So this mirror I did in two separate pieces. There is a small bubble right here. When I rub it down, it is gone, right? So this mirror right here was seam. This was seam here on this line. This is a seam line right here for the mirror. So, but it is protected all the way to the back, inside here. Even this, that is protected. Awesome, right? Nicely done. So every single piece, all the way down to the inside. This, even the carbon fiber, they are all protected. That's how it should be done, right? Awesome. in the corner. To this corner here. A little bit. This is what I call corner hugging technique. And here. Corner hugging. Borderline here. These lines are notorious for silvering, especially on black cars. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna squeegee that line, secure that line, top and bottom. Boom! Look, I have nice line. And finish the rest. Wipe it down. Beautiful. And inside here, look, it's so deep. There's no way I can squeeze it that far. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you my secret tool. Okay, are you ready for the secret tool? Ta-da! Now, so that tool, I normally use that tool for back windows and I think cars. So look at this. Woo, smooth all the way down there. Yeah. Let's feel the edge. Let me just line up to the edge. Damn, it's pretty much bang onto the edge. All the way inside, right? Spray our water because it will float the surface. Good. Okay. See how I wrap the corners? This is your first time to this channel. My name is Wilbur and welcome to the channel. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as well, so you will be notified when we uploaded our next video. So we will be uploading a lot of interesting videos here in this channel. Tutorial videos, installation videos, panel removal videos, all these informative videos will be uploaded here, so make sure to subscribe so you won't be missed out when we upload it. Anyway, before I forgot, so this windshield right here, this is protected in Clearplex windshield protection. So this is protected. So then the only thing left untouched is the window. So we'll be tinting the window if the customer wants it. We'll find out. I'm gonna make a separate video for that. So yeah, bye bye for now. Thank you for watching. You may have a good day on that side. Whatever you're doing right now, be happy, be contented, and bye bye. See you on our next video. Right?